The following opinions are solely those of BoatTEST.com and its test captain.
Hi, Captain Steve for BoatTEST.com, and in this video, I'm going to conduct a features inspection of the all-new Navetta 68 from Absolute. The Navetta line is characterized by the sheer interior volume the design brings to the table. Each one feels like a much larger yacht thanks to the tremendous amounts of light and space. Externally, she has an original design to her exterior lines. The shape of the hull side windows continue the design changes of the latest models of the Navetta range, and the air intakes reflect that continuity. The bulwarks at midship drop down to provide even more light to the oversized windows in the salon area. And of course, there's the plumb bow characteristics of the Navetta lineup. We board either from the side access doors flush to the deck or from the passerelle at the stern. The aft deck features a 9-foot 5-inch wide sofa behind a solid wood table on 2 fixed pedestals. The space ahead can accommodate 4 deck chairs, which we have stored in the engine room. Ahead is counter space and storage. The overhead is 6 feet 9 inches off the deck, and notice the wood accent with stainless trim. That's an unusual feature. The aft supports conceal rails that support a drop-down sunscreen. The aft platform can be accessed from stairs to both port and starboard, and gates lie flush against the line handling pods when opened. The platform is hydraulically actuated for launching a tender or creating a private beach. When lowered, there's a set of stairs exposed to starboard. Sparta lights are overhead and underwater lights are fitted beneath. The flying bridge is accessed from molded stairs with courtesy lighting. Above, this space is huge and certainly matching the volume of much larger yachts. It encompasses 4 areas. A large aft terrace is surrounded by 32-inch high rails and can be populated with deck chairs. Decking is all teak. An optional extendable awning can provide shade to this aft area. Ahead is a lounge area with a freestanding L-shaped sofa and small coffee table. This area is supplemented by the dining area with a teak table. Seating is at another L-shaped sofa, this time built in, and deck chairs increase the seating to 8. All this is protected under the microfiber upholstered hardtop 6 feet 6 inches overhead, and it includes an electrically actuated sunroof. Forward, 2 curving and symmetrical sofas flank the center-mounted helm. Just behind is a large wet bar. The Corian counter includes an electric grill, a refrigerated compartment, a stainless sink, and more counter space. The counter includes a metal underlay for magnetized glasses, more on that later. Below are a refrigerator and ice maker and storage, both ahead and behind. 2 pivoting stools are optional. At midships to the starboard side is a watertight door providing another access point to the side deck. Forward, guests will surely appreciate the views from the forward-facing bench seat that sits behind the expandable solid wood table on dual electrically actuated pedestals. Just ahead is a 4-across sun pad with headrests that lift into multiple chaise lounge positions. Beverage holders are to the outboard sides. With the seat backs lowered, we can flip the table leaf open to enjoy dining from both sides. A stereo head unit is to port, and the corners of the sun pad have pop-up LED lighting. Smoke-tinted sliding glass doors open a full 4 feet 2 inches with a height of 6.5 feet to lead us inside. Additionally, we can lower this port side window to further blend the inside with the outside and create a conjoined space with the aft deck and galley. Inside, the headroom is 6 feet 9 inches along the perimeter of the stylized overhead and 6 feet 11 inches within. This interior is characterized by elm wood with matte finish. Furnishings are gloss varnish dark canaletto walnut. The windows are huge without having separate mullions. This, plus the lowered bulwarks, provides even more natural light. Dark wood Venetian blinds lower and adjust by remote control. The galley is aft, signaling that this is more of a family yacht. It includes plenty of open deck-ton counter space with Calacatta marble nuances. There's a full-size refrigerator freezer with hemp-colored laminate doors. The 4-burner induction cooktop is right under a Miele powered exhaust hood. Below is a cutlery drawer for 8 settings and then a Miele microwave and convection oven combination, with a dishwasher just alongside. The stainless sink includes a pull-out sprayer. Storage is underneath and to the side, that includes sorters for the tableware, and more storage is over the window. Back at the entrance is glassware, but not secured with sorters. Instead, they're all magnetized so they hold themselves in place. Directly across is a dinette with a matte finished elm table on 2 fixed pedestals, and it includes a metallic underlayer to accommodate those magnetized glasses. Seating is for 8 at the 7-foot 9-inch table, including the movable chairs, and we're already seeing a lot of attention to detail with the matte finished elm wood and the natural woven oak floor, all on a single level, I might add. And look at the stylized trim work just under the stainless grab handle. A forward glass partition separates the galley from the salon or can be tracted to further blend the 2 rooms together. Here we have 2 Minotti sofas, one 3-seat and one 2-seat, upholstered in desert color. There's also a freestanding chair, all surrounding a glass coffee table over an ecru-colored Minotti rug. Across is a storage and entertainment cabinet under another large window. The touch of a button brings up a 50-inch TV. Sidewalls are coated in straight wood with glossy varnished dark canaletto walnut frames that conceal the air conditioning vents. The forward bulkhead is fluted elm with matte finish and ivory-colored velvet and has an electrically openable section towards the wheelhouse. Below, the Navetta 68 really has a 4-stateroom 3-head layout, but in effect has 2 masters flanking the twin guest staterooms, a huge plus with the shared ownership. A starboard side companionway leads to the accommodations deck, and I'd like to see a slight raised edge to the top of the stairs. These stairs lead to a hallway with the decking all on a single level. We'll start aft and work our way forward. For the sake of discussion, we'll refer to this mid-master as the VIP. The berth is center mounted and courtesy lighting is underneath. It includes a dark brown leather headboard, multi-tone crushed velvet wall coverings, and walnut bedside tables with glass inserts. Headroom is 6 feet 6 inches, leaving 4 feet 5 inches over the berth. To starboard, there's a gloss varnished dark walnut top and vanity with a mirrored lid and compartmentalized storage. The lid has a soft close feature. Storage is ahead where a mirrored door leads to a large closet and in drawers under the bed. A 42-inch TV is mounted to the forward bulkhead. To the port side is an opaque sliding glass door leading to the head. Here there's a split head arrangement with a marble sink under a triple set of mirrors. Storage is underneath. At the press of a button, the mirror retracts, revealing a hull-side window. Aft is the enclosed shower. It includes a rainfall feature and an opening port light. Forward is the water closet with an opening port light over an electric flush toilet. This forward master really comes with some out-of-the-box thinking. Rather than maneuver the berth fully forward as we usually see, it's actually well back in the wider portion of the bow. The berth is therefore forward-facing and center-mounted. It's a comfortable 25 inches off the deck. Its position gives us full benefits of the large hull-side windows providing astounding views. We again see dark walnut bedside tables with glass inserts and patterned velvet wall coverings. Headroom again is 6 feet 6 inches to the ceiling, treated with microfiber panels. Under the starboard window is storage with a gloss varnished dark walnut surround. A mirrored door fronts the large closet. To starboard is the desk/vanity with gloss varnished dark walnut. Just behind is another mirrored door to a large closet. A 42-inch TV is to the forward bulkhead. The head is forward and remaining on a single level. Another marble counter, this time includes 2 sinks under large mirrors. To port, sliding glass doors lead to the large enclosed shower with a huge hull-side window with opening port. There's a rainfall shower head and plenty of storage for products. To starboard, the counter extends around and under the second hull-side window, again with an opening port. Storage is all underneath. As we return to the main corridor, there's a Miele wine cooler at the base of the stairs. Then we come to the first of the 2 guest staterooms. These 2 staterooms are largely mirror images of one another, with twin berths and hull-side windows. There's open storage alongside a mirrored door to the storage closet. Opening ports provide the natural light and ventilation.
One difference between the 2 is the portside stateroom berths electrically slide together to form a larger single berth.
A dayhead is shared between the 2 staterooms. With any cruising yacht, storage is key, and on the Navetta 68, it's really next level. At the base of the stairs, there's a large storage room with shelving to both sides. Impressive, but made even more so by the door just ahead that leads to still another storage room. Absolute does a fine job on their boats, both from a fit and finish standpoint and from the quality of build. There's so much volume in this yacht that it looks and feels like a much larger yacht, and there's a lot of comfort in that feel. Her strength translates directly into her feel during running, but that's in another video. Be sure to look for it. For now, this is my full features inspection of the all-new Navetta 68 from Absolute. For BoatTEST.com, I'm Captain Steve. We'll see you on the water.